In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the newer version of Google Meet on your laptop. As online meetings continue to be a central part of our daily routines, staying up to date with the latest tools and interfaces can make a big difference in your productivity and ease of communication. Diving into Google Meet's updated platform will not only give you a more seamless experience, but also ensure you leverage its latest features to your advantage. Let's walk through it together. First, let's begin by navigating to the Google Meet homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering meet.google.com into the address bar. This will bring you directly to the main Google Meet page where you'll see options to start or join meetings. This is your starting point and entryway into the virtual meeting space. Once you're on the homepage, look for the button labeled New Meeting. Clicking on it will give you a drop-down menu with different options. You typically have three choices here: creating a meeting for later, starting an instant meeting, or scheduling one in Google Calendar. For those of you looking for a quick meeting option, starting an instant meeting is the way to go to dive straight into a conversation. However, if you're planning something for later, using Google Calendar ensures everything is organized with invites going out to participants seamlessly. After selecting your preferred meeting setup, if you opt to schedule the meeting, you'll be directed to the Google Calendar's event creation page, where you can set the date, time, and choose attendees. Remember to add a precise description if you need participants to prepare or bring certain materials with them. Calendar integrations make sure that everyone is on the same page, which is crucial for a smoothly run meeting. Before starting your meeting, you'll need to grant Google Meet permission to access your camera and microphone. This step is important as it allows others in the meeting to see and hear you. A prompt will appear asking for these permissions. Just click Allow. If you have any trouble, make sure your laptop settings allow for this access, as sometimes security settings can inadvertently block them. Finally, once everything is set up, make the most of Google Meet's features. These include screen sharing, live captions, and a range of view layouts. Screen sharing is especially handy for presentations or collaborative work, while live captions enhance accessibility for everyone involved. Explore and utilize these tools to enhance the overall meeting experience. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to getting started with the newer version of Google Meet on your laptop. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more comfortable you get with these steps, the smoother your virtual meetings will run. So go ahead, give it a try, and harness the full potential of Google Meet. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore more on our channel for additional tips and insights into optimizing your virtual workspace.